Hello friends, first of all, congratulations to all the students who have cleared their DRDO एग्ज़ाम। तो ये सीरीज़ हम उन बच्चों के लिए शुरू करने जा रहे हैं जिन्हें बस अब एक स्किल टेस्ट देना है। तो हमारी कोशिश रहेगी कि आपको बेस्ट से बेस्ट मटेरियल प्रोवाइड कराई जाए जिससे आपको एग्ज़ाम के लिए कुछ हेल्प मिल सके। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं आज से हमारा यह नया सेशन DRDO स्पेशल। गेट रेडी, स्टार्ट। DRDO has emerged as one of the premier scientific and technological organizations in the country and has played a major role behind the development of the state of the art platforms, sensors, and weapon system. At the core of its technological strength is its expertise in system design, system integration, and testing and evaluation built over the last 5 decades. Due to our efforts, India is today one of only 5 countries in the world to have a multi level strategic deterrence capability and its own ballistic missile defense program, one of only 6 countries of the world to have developed a nuclear powered submarine, one of only few selected countries to have developed its own main battle tank, fourth generation combat aircraft, electronic warfare, and multi range radar program. DRDO's mission essentially covers the following broad activities: design, develop, and lead to production of state of the art sensor, weapon system, platforms, and allied equipment for our defense services, provide technological solutions to the services to optimize combat effectiveness and to promote well-being of the troops, develop infrastructure and committed quality manpower, and build strong indigenous technology base. DRDO was traditionally headed by Director General DRDO, who additionally holds the post of Secretary Department of Defense R&D and Scientific Advisor to Raksha Mantri. However, in June 2015, DRDO was placed under the Secretary DD R&D, who is also the administrative head as DG DRDO. A separate post of SA to RM was created to offer independent advice. DRDO labs are grouped into 7 technology clusters, namely armament and combat engineering system, aeronautical system, missiles and strategic systems, naval systems and materials, electronics and communication system, microelectronic device and computational system, and life science. Each of these clusters function under cluster DGs. The 7 DG offices are located at Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Vishakhapatnam, and Delhi. The labs under each cluster DG, which had minor realignment of a few labs in 2015. DRDO also has 3 human resources institution, that is Center for Personal Talent Management, Institute of Technology Management, and Recruitment and Assessment Center. During the year, Military Institute of Technology was transferred from DRDO to headquarters. There are also 3 certification agencies under DRDO's fold, that is Center for Military Airworthiness and Certification for Airworthiness Products, Center for Fire Explosive and Environment Safety for Fire and Explosives and Scientific Analysis Group for Grading of Information Security Products. These certification agencies provide services not just for DRDO but other organizations of Government of India as well. Additionally, regional centers for military airworthiness under the purview of CEMILAC are located at different stations all over the country. 4. Research Board, Aeronautics, Naval, Armaments and Life Science function under DRDO funding to provide thrust to basic research in academia in the areas of strategic importance. In addition, Department of Defense R&D has one autonomous body, viz. Aeronautical Development Agency, one joint venture, viz. BrahMos Aerospace, and one deemed university, viz. Defense Institute of Advanced Technology. Stop. Thank you.